welcome back to Posh Cows Camping, and a very special Valentine's edition because we can't get out in our motorhome. So I said to Sue it might be nice just to do a video and to explain about a trip that we did in 2007. It was a rather special trip, and as it's Valentine's weekend, it's the right kind of theme. So a little bit of background to the story. We were married in November 1982, and for our silver wedding anniversary in November
2007.
Oh, I can't count. And for our silver wedding in 2007, I arranged a secret event. Sue knew all about the holiday that we planned because we put a lot of effort into a Highway 1 trip, hadn't we? We flew into San Francisco from London Heathrow, and we had 3 weeks in San Francisco area. We travelled down Highway 1 to Los Angeles, then back up the 101 and picked up with our family near Sacramento, and then went north to Lake Tahoe, and then back to Sacramento again, and then home, didn't we? Yeah. So we did quite a long trip, but whilst we were in Lake Tahoe,
you'd arranged a special occasion for our silver wedding anniversary, unbeknown to me. And Trevor said, take a posh dress with you because we're going to go for a black tie meal with our American family. So this is getting towards the end of the holiday, and I said, well, when are we going to have this meal? We're at Lake Tahoe. When are we going to have this meal with our family? And he said, well, I've got something I need to tell you. So he got his laptop out and showed me Chapel of the Bells and said that we were going to renew our wedding vows. And we'd been to a supermarket just shortly before that, and we'd seen some roses there, and he said, what colour do you like? I said, well, I like the cream ones. And he'd ordered the cream flowers, so that was perfect really, so I gave the right answer.
Yeah, we'd I thought I was being clever because I'd arranged it for 2 o'clock in the afternoon on the 20th of November 2007, which was exactly 25 years to the day and to the time. But what I'd forgotten was that California are 8 hours behind, aren't they? So we didn't get the time right, but the day was right.
And I had to get my hair done quickly. I suddenly panicked. I thought, oh, I've got to quickly get my hair done.
Yeah, fortunately there was a hairdresser's just in the
complex.
complex.
I had my hair done.
We stayed in a 5-star complex in a hotel at Lake Tahoe. That's another vlog really. The trip itself was a fabulous trip, and we've got lots of photographs and things of that trip.
Oh, and our kind American family bought us a lovely hamper, didn't they?
They did.
As a surprise.
Yeah,
oh, that was lovely. That got all sorts of fruits and nuts.
There was all sorts of things in the room.
All sorts of stuff. Yeah, they were so kind to us.
Because they knew it was our silver wedding anniversary. So what did we get? We've got 1 or 2 bits and pieces of memorabilia that we've collected and kept, and we'll show you some of that now.
Jackie, our American niece, kindly kept the flowers for us and dried them and sent them back for us. So there's my bouquet and Trev's buttonhole. It's behind your hand, Trev.
Oh, right there.
So she kindly did that for us. So they go in our cabinet.
Yeah, a bit fragile now, Sue.
They are. Just put them down there. And then they also bought us this
silver dollar.
Lovely silver dollar in a lovely plush box.
Yeah, got the insignia on the box.
So that's our American silver dollar.
Silver dollar, which we treasure.
So we treasure that.
Yeah.
And we've also got.
We bought ourselves
a British one.
To complement that, we bought from the Royal Mint. So we bought ourselves a silver £2 coin
to commemorate our silver wedding anniversary. Obviously the photos we were really pleased with because I'm not usually very photogenic, so this is an example of one of them. We had a roll which we had to go and develop at a supermarket, didn't we?
Yes.
And every single photo came up really lovely.
Yeah, that was before the digital age. I think digital cameras were sort of
you can see the flowers on there that we've just showed you.
Yep.
And then we've got lovely little book, Chapel of the Bells.
This is our
and we've got our certificate. of renewal.
Renewal
there.
of our wedding vows.
So that's in a lovely little folder with a flower on it.
It's actually an Indian blessing, and there's all sorts of information about that.
It's a lovely blessing.
Yeah.
I really love the words.
And Reverend Warren did that for us.
And this is our album. With
and
our
album
photos
pictures. Now at the end of the video I'll include some of the photographs that are in here.
Yeah.
There's not an awful lot. There's
No.
a dozen or so that are really nice. But you might be able to see them. We'll show them at the end, so.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
They all came out really well, didn't they?
They're lovely.
And we didn't have any guests.
No.
So,
packed house it was.
So easy. So easy to very, very romantic actually, just having the two of us there.
Yep, and our photographer was our witness.
Yes.
of the blessing. So
not much different to weddings at the moment.
That's right. So we'll end the video there. We'll show you what's coming up now is the ceremony itself. As you can see, Sue said, it's a packed house.
And Trev didn't even realise we'd got a video. He'd forgotten
all
about
it.
He said that he didn't believe me, and I managed to find it.
Sue found it. It was in
an
American format, NTSC, and when I converted it, it flickers a bit. Every now and again the video jumps, so forgive us for that. But and I had to crank the sound up well, so there's a little bit of sound noise in there as well, but not bad for 2007. And hope you enjoy it.
I can't believe that's 25. It was all those years
That's
ago.
right. That's right. It's a long time ago again. So we're going to have our 40th in a couple of years, aren't we, Ruby? A couple of years. So let's show the video, and hope you enjoy it. The photographs will be at the end. We'll see you next time. All right. Bye then.
What I'd like you to do is to turn and face each other. Hold both hands. You can hold the flowers too.
Okay.
And just look at each other. Come this way, just a half a step. No, I mean this way. Great. Okay. A little more centered now. And just look at each other. Trevor and Susan, marriage is an act of faith and a personal commitment, as well as a moral and physical union between the parties. Marriage has been described as the best and most important relationship that can exist between two human beings. The construction of their love and trust into a single growing energy of spiritual life. It is a moral commitment that requires and deserves daily attention, since no earthly happiness exceeds that of a reciprocal satisfaction in the conjugal state. Marriage should be a lifelong commitment to the ideal of loving kindness, backed with the will to make it last. True love gives nothing of itself and takes nothing but from itself. Love does not possess, nor would it be possessed, for love is sufficient unto love. Love has no other desire but to fulfill itself. Rest at noon and meditate love's ecstasy, to return home at eventide with gratitude, and then to sleep with a prayer for the beloved in your heart and a song of praise upon your lips. Trevor, will you take Susan to be your wedded wife, to love, to cherish, to continually bestow upon her your heart's deepest devotion? Susan, will you take Trevor to be your wedded husband, to love, to cherish, to continually bestow upon him your heart's deepest devotion.
I will.
Trevor, repeat after me. Susan,
Susan,
I take you again
I take you again
as my wife
as my wife
from this day forward,
from this day forward
to love,
to
to cherish,
cherish,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
for richer,
for
for better,
better,
in health
in health
and in joy,
and in joy,
to care and share together
to care and share together,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
Susan, would you repeat after me? Trevor,
Trevor,
I take you again
I take you again
as my husband
as my husband
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
to love,
to love,
to cherish,
to cherish,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
for richer, for better,
for better,
in health
in health
and in joy,
and in joy,
to care and share together,
to care and share together,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
What token of your devotion do you offer your beloved? It looks like we have two rings here. Trevor, you can hold that ring. Just hold it for now. Let me hold your flowers.
Okay.
So just face each other. May these rings be blessed as the symbol of this affectionate unity. These two lives are now joined in one unbroken circle. Wherever they go, may they always return to one another in their togetherness. May these two find in each other the love for which all men and women yearn. May they grow in understanding and in compassion. May the home which they've established together be such a place of sanctuary that many will find there a friend. May these rings on your fingers symbolize the touch of the spirit of love in the heart. Trevor, in placing your ring on Susan's finger, repeat after me. Susan,
Susan,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as the pledge of my love
as the pleasure of my love
and the symbol of our unity.
and the symbol of our unity.
All right. Susan, placing your ring on Trevor's finger, repeat after me. Trevor,
Trevor,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as the pledge of my love
as the pledge of my love
and the symbol of our unity.
and the symbol of our unity.
All right. There you go. Okay, just hold hands and look at each other. Inasmuch as Trevor and Susan have consented together in marriage, having pledged their faith and declared their unity by giving and receiving a ring, and are now joined in mutual esteem and devotion, I, as an ordained minister, pronounce that they are husband and wife together, and I offer you this American Indian blessing. Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be the shelter to the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be the warmth to the other. Now there is no more loneliness for you. Now you are two bodies, but there's only one life before you. Go now to your dwelling place, to enter into the days of your togetherness, and may your days be good and long upon the earth. And Trevor, and kiss your bride.
Okay.
Okay. Congratulations to
Thank
you.
you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
25 years, that's
Yeah.
quite
Yeah.
enough.
Yeah.